Millie Bobby Brown and Jake Bongiovi went to the Damsel premiere in New York, where she was seen wearing this stunning Louis Vuitton dress. And when I tell you this is perfect specifically for this movie premiere, mainly because in the movie Damsel, Millie Bobby Brown will be having a showdown with a dragon, and this dress gives me dragon scales 101. I love it. The design, the placement, the way she didn't overdo it. It's just simplicity all the way. Now, Millie has been trending not because of the movie Damsel, but because of her accent. So she went on Jimmy Fallon the other day, and people kept on bringing up her accent going in and out, and that it's in between accents. And honestly, they weren't even focusing on the beautiful story of how Jake Bongiovi actually proposed to Millie Bobby Brown underwater while they're diving, which is super cute, might I add.
Basically, Jake and I bonded over diving. We love diving. We got our diving licenses together. And we one day, we were on vacation, and he was like, Mill, you got to be up at 8 a.m. We're going on a dive. And I was like, 8 a.m.?
Yeah.
Dive? Like, what are we?
Vacation, yeah.
And he's telling me, like, we're going to the same spot we usually go to. I'm like, it's boring. Let's go somewhere new. He's like, no, we have to go to this spot. So we go under, and we're like many meters down, and he gives me like a shell, and I like turn it over, and it's a ring. And I was like, and I like looked at him, and he was like,
Personally think it's because she was acting, in the movie Damsel and had to speak a certain way. And I think she's experiencing the whole Austin Butler thing where the movie's done, but you're still in the character. If she isn't, it is what it is. It's not a big deal. People's accents change all the time.